Okay, hello everyone. This is my second tool report. And as you can tell, it changed a little bit from the last time. So last time I said I was going to use the app creator called Bobble, I think it's how it's pronounced, but I could be wrong 100%. But basically, I try to start working on it and just obviously playing around with it a little bit, and I found out that in order to do so, you had to pay a ridiculous amount of fees and just all these things that I thought were unnecessary. So I went back to our tools worksheet and tried to find something that would actually help me create and develop this idea I had about my parking tracker app. So I bumped into this website called Marvel, and I quickly learned that it's almost everything is free, and you can obviously design as much as you can and as much as you want, and just trying to put some ideas out there and whatnot. So this is what I have. Obviously, it needs a lot of work and it needs a lot of developing. But this is what I've been working on a little bit lately, kind of to give this project more of a body and everything. And basically what it helps you do, it's kind of, you create slides, or these things are called images, and you link them together and as a whole create an app. So let me just show you, for example, what I want the homepage to look like. So it shows you this. So basically, I want the app to look like sort of like this, obviously a little bit more creative. I still haven't figured out how to put background color in it, but I just have to look for those things. And this is what I want it to look like at the beginning, and then try to have my profile picture. So I think I did this right. And if you click here, yep, it sends you to a profile basically. So I want this to have your class schedule and the places maybe that you've parked, and it selects them as your favorite ones, or places you usually frequently visit or park and things like that. And and then you click that arrow and it takes you back. So obviously focusing on UGA colors and everything, but it needs a lot more development and a lot more work. And then obviously when, oh, actually I forgot to show. So if you would click down here, for example, it will take you to to enable your location and for the app to be able to track you. But I haven't developed a button for it to take you back yet. So I just have to go back like this, and then this would be like a lookup, for a parking spot. So this would be ultimately where you would click to find the place that you're going to and where you're going to park and all those things. So I know I don't have that much yet, but I think it's a pretty good place to start. And I'm just excited to see my project have a little bit more of a body to it and everything. So we'll see how it goes. Thank you.